हेलो हाय गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? बढ़िया। हमने कल करा था एनसीईआरटी का एक्सरसाइज 2.1 कंप्लीट कर लिया था। आज हम शुरू करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 2.2 किसका? चैप्टर नंबर सेकेंड, फ्रैक्शन एंड डेसिमल का। तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन देखिए, मैंने लिख रखा है, इसमें क्या है? मैच द फॉलोइंग करना है। मैच द फॉलोइंग में आपको देखिए सबसे पहला क्या है, 2 होल 1/5। 2 × 1/5 लिखा है आपकी बुक्स में, उसका मतलब क्या है? 2 होल 1/5। उसका मतलब क्या भाई? 2 होल 1/5। तो इसका मतलब पहले तो हमें 2 फिगर्स पे जाना पड़ेगा। यहाँ तो 3 है तो ये हो नहीं सकता, ये 2 है, दिस इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी। ये 3 है, ये हो नहीं सकता, एंड दिस इज 2, दिस इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी। तो पॉसिबिलिटी यहाँ और यहाँ आ रही है। उसके बाद फ्रैक्शन कितना है? 1/5। तो यहाँ पर देखिए 1 और 2 दो ही है हमारे पास पार्ट्स, तो दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल। तो ये हमारा बचा, देखिए 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5। तो ये हमारा क्या हो गया? ये इसका क्या हो गया? मैच द फॉलोइंग हो गया। तो हम यहाँ लिख देते हैं 1। क्यों? क्योंकि एक शेडेड है और 5 पार्ट्स है और 2 होल है। तो 2 होल 1/5 इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस फिगर। ओके, नाउ दिस इज 2 × 1/2 मीन्स 2 होल 1/2. So again there is a possibility that we have to come with a figure having the 2 shapes. Then it is also 3. This is not possible. It is also 3. This is not possible. It has already matched. Then the answer is this one. Okay, because 2 and 1/2 दो के पार्ट है, तो एक शेडेड है तो 1/2 हो गया। ठीक है, this is 3 whole 2/3. So then we have to move to the figure which is having the 3 shapes, 3 similar shapes. This is a possibility and this also is a possibility, but 2/3 is the fraction part which is given. So we have to move to the figure having the 3 parts. तो 3, यहाँ तो 4 parts आ गए, यहाँ पर 3 parts है और 2 shaded में है, तो 2/3 हो गया। तो this is the correct answer of 3 whole 2/3. Okay, and the last one is remaining, and this is the answer of 3 whole 1/4. 3 figures and 1 portion is shaded and 1/4. Okay, 3 whole 1/4 and the answer is this. So this is how you do the match the following. This was the first question of your book or your exercise. First you take the screenshot, then we will move to the second question. Okay, I am getting aside, please take the screenshot. Now guys, let's move to the question number 2. The question number 2 is again the match the following, but it is written in the another form. 3 × 1/4 is 3 whole 1/5, or we can say 3 × 1/5 equals to 3/5. ये हमें दे रखा है, ठीक है। तो 3 × 3/5, तो we have to move to the condition where 3 figures are given. ठीक है, 3 फिगर्स आर गिवन। यहाँ पर ये 1/5 है तो 1 शेडेड होगा, यहाँ पर भी 1 शेडेड होगा, और सपोज करो यहाँ पर भी 1 शेडेड है और एक यहाँ पर भी 1 शेडेड है। ठीक है ना, तो ये 3 तो फिगर्स हो गए और 1/5 इज इक्विवेलेंट टू 3/5, तो मतलब यहाँ पर 3 शेडेड पोर्शन होंगे। ओके, ये छूट गया था, यहाँ पर 3 शेडेड पोर्शन हो जाएंगे। तो ये हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस वन, 3/5, क्योंकि 3 × 1/5 मतलब 3 × 1/5 मतलब 3 हमारे पास है, उसमें 1 शेडेड पोर्शन है, इज इक्विवेलेंट टू 3 होल 1/5। ओके, क्लियर हो गया चीज? नाउ 2 होल 1/3 इज 2 × 1/3 इज इक्वल टू 2/3। ठीक है, तो ये हमें दे रखा है इक्विवेलेंट में पहले से ही। फर्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन में हमारे पास गिवन नहीं था। ओके, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड द सेकंड वन। तो यहाँ पर 2 होल मतलब 2 पे जाना पड़ेगा और 1 3 पोर्शन है 1, तो दिस विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस ऑप्शन, इज इक्विवेलेंट टू। तो ये हमें दे रखा है, वहां पर अलग चीज थी, यहाँ पर हमें हर एक का पहले से दे रखा है। इसका ये दे रखा है और इक्विवेलेंट है तो इसका ये दे रखा है। ठीक है, वहां पर हमें सिंपली क्या दिया था? ये पोर्शन गिवन था, ये नहीं दिया था, तो हमारे पास सिर्फ ये है दिए हुए थे। ओके, नाउ 3 × 3/4, 3 × 3/4, तो 3 फिगर्स है, इंटू 3/4 का मतलब 4 ट्राइंगल से 3 शेडेड पोर्शन आ गए। तो यहां पर देखा 2 होल 1/4, 2 होल 1/4, तो दो हमारी पूरी पूरी फिगर्स है और एक में 1/4। ओके, so this will be the correct answer of third one. Okay, now you got the difference between the first question and the second one. So this was the question number second. It was simply the match the following question. First one was also the match the following question. Please take the screenshot, then we will move to the question number third. Okay. So guys, let's move to the question number third. What is written in the question number third? Multiply and reduce to the lowest form and convert into the mixed form. हमें इसे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, फिर रिड्यूस करना लोएस्ट फॉर्म है। मैंने कल आपको बताया था कि जितने भी आंसर्स है हमें लोएस्ट फॉर्म में लिखने होता है। इफ यू आर नॉट राइटिंग द आंसर इन द लोएस्ट फॉर्म, you have a chances that your marks will be deducted. Okay, so it is very important to write the answer into the lowest form and then we have to convert into the mixed form. They are the 10 parts of this question. In this I have selected the 6 parts. Remaining 4 parts, it's your homework. You have to do it. If you are not getting the answer, you have to comment it. I will explain in the next lecture. Okay, let's move to the question number third. First part is 7 into 4, 7 into 3/4. Then it 7 into 7 upon 1 into 3 upon 4. We can write this in this form. Then 7 into 3 is equals to 21 and upon 4. Then we got the answer 21/4. 21/4 is the correct answer and it is already in the lowest form because this both the number is not divisible by a single common number. ठीक है, we have to convert to the lowest form. Suppose that if instead of 21 there is 22, then this is divisible by 2 and this 4 is also divisible by 2. ये आपको मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट याद रखना कि दोनों नंबर एक ही नंबर से डिविजिबल होने चाहिए। हियर इट इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय सिंगल नंबर, ठीक है, दो इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 2 बट एंड दिस इज डिविजिबल बाय 3 बट बोथ आर द डिफरेंट नंबर। सो दिस इज द लोएस्ट फॉर्म and we have to convert it into the mixed form. To convert it into the mixed form, what we have to do? We have to simply divide 4 5s are 20 and 1 is the remainder. Then we got 4 because we have to convert, we have to give the answer in the fraction. 1 is the remainder, it gets converted into the numerator and 5 where it's converted written here. Then 5 whole 1/4 is the mixed fraction of 21/4. You can also check by multiplying 5 4 is 20 plus 21. 21/4 is the correct answer. Okay, now let's move to the second part. 4/3 is correct answer and it is already in the lowest form. We have to convert it into the mixed form. In mixed form, we simply divide 4/3. 3 1 is 3. We got the answer 1 as an remainder and here 1 as an 1 whole 1/3 will be your correct mixed form. Okay, 6 12/7 and it is already in the lowest form. ठीक है, तो इसको कन्वर्ट करना है तो हम कन्वर्ट करने के लिए सिंपली डिवाइड कर देंगे। 7 1 is 7, we got 5 remainder, then 1 whole 5/7 will be your correct answer. Okay, now let's move to the eighth part. This is the eighth part which I have taken as I have selected some of the parts of this question. Remaining you have to do yourself. If you are not getting your answer, you have to comment it. I will explain in the next lecture. Okay, take it seriously guys. 20 into 4, it's 80/5. Now this number is divisible by 5. Both the number are divisible by 5. Okay, then convert it first into the lowest form. It comes to be 16 and it's come to be 1. Then 16 is the correct answer. It is already 16, then we cannot convert into the mixed form. The 16 is the correct answer. Okay, here 15 3 is 45/5. Now convert it into the lowest form. 5 and 5 and here 5 ओके ओके 5 9 जा, तो 9 by 1, तो करेक्ट आंसर इज 9. So we cannot convert this into the mixed form. So 9 is the correct answer. Last one is 44 divided by 7. Is 44 divided by 7 both number are divisible by a single number? No. So we cannot convert this. We cannot convert this into the lowest form. It is already in the lowest form. Then convert it in a mixed fraction. Okay, 44 divided by 7. Then we have to divide the 44 by 7 by taking 7 to the nearest number, which is nearer to the 44. So 7 6 is 42. We got the 2 remainder here. Then it is converted in the mixed fraction. 6 whole 2 by 7 is the mixed fraction of 44 by 7. Okay, you got it. This was the question number 3rd. You take the screenshot. Then we will move to the question number 4 of the exercise. So guys, let's move to the question number 4. What is written in the question number 4? You have to shade the portion which is written in the question. 1/2 of circle in a box. ये हमारे पास एक सर्कल है, सॉरी एक बॉक्स है, उसके अंदर सर्कल्स दे रखे बहुत सारे. तो 1/2 सर्कल्स को आपको क्या करना है, शेड करना है. तो टोटल हम पहले सर्कल गिनेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. There are 12 circles. So for making it 1/2, we have to shade 6, so that we are getting 6/12 is 1/2. Then we shade 6. You can take any of the 6 circles. Okay, 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, this is your correct answer of this question. 2/3 of the triangle. Total number of triangles is 9. 2/3 means you have to shade 6, so that you can, when you are reducing it to the lowest form, it is divisible by 3. It is also divisible by 3. You are getting 2/3. So you have to shade 6 triangles. You can take any of the 6 triangles. 4 5 and 6. Okay, this is your 6 triangles you have to shade. Now 3/5 of the square in a box. 3/5 of squares in a box. Total number of squares 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. 15 is the total number of squares which is given in a box. We have to come up with a 3/5. For 3/5, it must be divisible by 3, and here it must be 9, so that when you are reducing it to a lowest form, 3 5, because it is also divisible by 3 and this is also divisible by 3, and when reducing it to the lowest form, we are getting 3/5. So we have to shade 9 triangles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so there are 9. We have to shade 9 square boxes for getting 3/5 of square in a box to be shaded. Okay, this was the question number 4. You take the screenshot. We will move to the question number 5. This was very easy question from first to fourth question. Okay, now we will move to the next question. First take the screenshot. Let's move to the question number 5. What is written in the question number 5? We have to find 1/2 of. When I was taking the lecture, I have already told that what is concept of. Here the concept of is with multiply or the product. Okay, so we have to find 1/2 multiply of first 24. It was the first part दे रखा है इसका, सेकेंड पार्ट में दे रहा है 46 का. तो हम कैसे करेंगे इसे? 1/2 of मतलब मल्टीप्लाई किसका? 24 का. So we can simply 24/2 and when we divide by 2, we comes up with the 12 is the correct answer. Okay, so 12 is the correct answer. Similarly for 46, 1 by 2 into 46, 46 divided by 2 is equals to 23 is the correct answer. Okay, so what the meaning of here, it is with the multiplication. 2 by 3 of 18, 2 by 3 of 18 is simply equals to 36 divided by 3, and when we divide by 3 we come up with 12. Okay, so 12 is the correct answer of this. Then 2 by 3 of 27, it is written 2 by 3 of 27, we come up with the answer 54 by 3. When divide by 3, we come up with the answer 18. So 18 is the correct answer of 2 by 3 of 27. The remaining two questions you have to do yourself. If you are not getting the answer, you have to comment it. I will explain in the next video. I am noticing, I will note the questions which I have already given. I have given question number 5, C and D, and I have given question number 3, 4 parts. Okay, so I have already note what the question I am giving you. So you all have to do these questions in your notebooks. If you are not getting the answer, then you have to comment it. I will explain in the next video. Okay, so you take the screenshot of this question. We will move to the next question. So guys, let's move to the question number 6. What is written in the question number 6? We have to multiply and express as a mixed fraction. So we have to multiply this question and express as a mixed fraction. What is written in this question? 3 into 5 whole 1 by 5. So first of all, we have to convert this mixed fraction into the proper fraction so that we can convert the answer. So 5 whole 1 by 5 is 5 5 is 25 plus 1 26 by 5. So it will come 3 into 26 by 5, and the result is 36. 3 into 26. 3 into 26 is 3 6 18, 1 carry, 3 2 6 and 7 divided by 5. And this is the simplest form. As we know, these both numbers are not divided by a single number. Okay, so we have to convert this into the mixed fraction. So we divide 78 by 5. We get 5 1 ja 5, 2 carry 5, 5 5 ja 25, 3 हमारा यहाँ पर क्या है रिमाइंडर. Then the answer is 15 whole 3 by 5. 15 whole 3 by 5 is the correct answer of this question. Okay, we will move to the next question. 5 into 6 whole 3 by 4. 6 whole 3 by 4. We convert 6 4 is 24 plus 3 27. 27 by 4. On multiplying 27 with 5, 5 7 is 35. 3 carry, 5 2 is 10 and 3. 5 2 is 10 and 3 was already there. 27 into 5. देखो 5 7 is 35. 5 here, 3 is here, 5 2 is 10 और 3. 135 आ गया ना, तो 4 से हम डिवाइड कर देंगे इससे. तो it is already in the lowest form. Then we have to convert again this into the mixed fraction. 135 divided by 4. 4 3 is 12. Here we got 1 and 5. 4 3 is 12. 3 remainder. Then the answer is 33 3 by 4. Okay, 33 3 by 4. Okay, 7 into 2 whole 1 by 4. 7 into 2 whole 1 by 4. We convert this 7. 2 4 is 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 4. 7 9 is 63 divided by 4. Okay, it is already in the lowest form. Then we have to convert this into the mixed fraction. 63 divided by 4. 4 1 is 4. 23, 4 5 is 20. Okay, here we got 3 as a remainder. Then the answer is 15 whole 3 by 4. Because we have to convert this into the mixed fraction, 4 is written here. The remainder which is got converted into the numerator, and the here answer is converted into the whole number. Okay, the 15 or 3 by 4 is the correct answer. Now next portion of the question is 4 into 6 whole 1 by 3. 4 into 6 whole 1 by 3. 6 3 is 18 plus 1 19 by 3. 19 4 ja 76. Okay, 76 divided by 3. And here we know that this is already in the lowest form. We have to convert this into the mixed fraction. 3 2 ja 6. 1 is remainder here, and 6 drops down. 3 5 ja 15, and 1 is remainder. Then the answer is 25 whole 3 1 by 3, because 1 is remainder here. Okay, so 25 1 by 3 is the correct answer. 3 whole 1 by 4 into 6. This is the next part of this question. 3 whole 1 by 4. First we convert this into the proper fraction. 3 4 is 12 plus 1 13 by 4 into 6. 13 6 ja 78 divided by 4. We have to convert this into the mixed fraction. 78 divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4. 3 remainder. 38. We got 38. 4 9 ja is 36. 2 is remainder here. Then we got the answer 19 whole 2 by 4. Okay, 19 whole 2 by 4 is the correct answer of this portion. Last question we have here, 3 whole 2 by 5 into 8. So first of all we convert 3 whole 2 by 5 into the proper fraction. 3 5 is 15 plus 2, 17 by 5 into 8. Okay, 17 8 I have already told you several times that all of you please learn the table at least up to 20, so that in the multiplication here you don't get confused. ठीक है ना? So 136 divided by 5. 17 8 is 136. You can check here. 17 into 8 7 56, 6 5 carry, 8 1 8, 8 5 30. 136. We have to convert 136 into mixed fraction. 136 divided by 5. 5 2 ja 6 drops down. 5 7 ja 35. 1 is remainder. Then the answer is 27 whole 1 by 5. 27 whole 1 by 5 is the correct answer. Okay, I am getting aside. You can take the screenshot of question number 6. Then we will move to the question number 7. So guys, let's move to the question number 7. What is written in the question number 7? We have to find 1 by 2 of 2 whole 3 by 4. It is similar to the question number 5, which we have already done here, but the difference is that in that question here it was written the whole number, the 12 14 24, but in this question it is given mixed fraction. So first of all we have to convert this into the proper fraction or improper fraction. Let's convert this. 2 whole 3 by 4. 2 whole 3 by 4 is equals to 4 to the 8 plus 3 is 11 by 4, and 4 whole 2 by 9. 4 9 is 36 plus 2 38 by 9. Okay, now you can easily calculate the product of 1 by 2 into. First of all we are taking first part. 1 by 2 into 2 whole 1 by 3. It is equivalent to 11 by 4. Then the answer is 11 by 8. Okay, the answer is 11 by 8. You can also convert this into the mixed fraction. It depends upon you whether you want or not. 8 1 ja 8 and 3 is remainder. Then the answer is 1 whole 1 whole 3 by 8. Okay, this is a mixed form of this. The second part of this question was, this was the first part of first A part, and the second part was 1 by 2 into 4 whole 2 by 3. 4 whole 2 by 3 is equals to 38 by 9. 38 by 9. It is equals to 38 by 18. ठीक है, 38 by 18. First of all, we will reduce this into the simplest form because these both number are divisible by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 9 is 18, and 2 9 is 18. Okay, then 19 by 9. Then we convert this into the mixed form. 9 2 is 18, 1 is remainder. Then the answer is 2 whole 1 by 9. Okay. Now let's move to the question number second of this. Question number second, first part, 5 by 8. First of all, we convert this question 3 whole 5 by 6 into the proper fraction or improper fraction depending upon the question. 3 6 is 18 plus 5, 23 by 6. Okay. 5 by 8 into 23 by 6. On multiplying 23 by 5, 3 5 is 15, 1 carry. 3 5 2 is 10 and 1 11. 48. So this we are getting 115 by 48. We have to first of all always check that it is in lowest form or not. This is not in the lowest form. We can convert this into the lowest form. If it is divisible, if both the numbers, numerator and the denominator, are divisible by a single number. Let us check, it is divisible by 3. Let us check, is this divisible by 3? 3 3 is 9, 2 remains here, and 25. So it is not divisible by 3, so it is in the lowest form. Okay, let's convert this into the mixed form. Okay, 115 divided by 48. 48 2 ja, 2 8 is 16, 1 carry, 2 4 is 8 and 9. It is nearest to the 115 to 48 to 96, 15. Here 5 is, we cannot deduct 6 from the 5. We have to carry 1, and 15 minus from 15, 6 is deducted, 9 we got. Okay. 10 by 7. 19 is remainder here. Then the answer is 2 whole 19 by 48. Okay. This is the correct answer. Let's move to the second part of this, 5 by 8 of 9 2 by 3. We have to convert first 9 2 by 3 into the proper fraction. 9 2 is 9 3 is 27 plus 2 29. 29 by 3. 29 by 3 is the proper fraction of this mixed fraction. Let's move to the 5 by 8 into 29 by 3. We have to multiply 29 with 5. So we have 5 9s are 45. 4 is carry here. 5 2 is 10 and 4 145. 145 divided by 24. Okay, it is already in the lowest form because both the numbers are not divisible by a single common number. Then we have to convert this into the mixed form. 145 divided by 24. 24 2 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja 4. Then it is far away from 145. Let's move to 6. 6 4 ja 24. 2 carry. 6 2 ja 12 or 2 4. 144. It is very much close to the 145. Then 24 into 6. 144. 1 remainder here. Then the answer is 6 whole 1 by 24 is the correct answer of this question. Okay. Now you got how you have to approach the answer. So you have to first simplify the mixed fraction into the proper fraction. Then this question comes the multiplication of fractions. You can easily calculate this question. Okay. I am getting aside. You can take the screenshot. Then we will move to the question number 8, which is the last question of this exercise. Let's move to the question number 8, which is the last question of this exercise. What is written in this? Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. भाई दो थे, Vidya and Pratap went for their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. तो विद्या ने कितना कंज्यूम कर दिया? 2 by 5 of water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. The question is asked, how much water did Vidya drink? तो विद्या ने कितना ड्रिंक किया? तो 2 by 5 पहली बात तो किया था विद्या ने, किसका? रिमेन कितना टोटल था उसका भाई? तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? 5 से 5 कैंसल, विच इज इक्वल्स टू 2 लीटर्स. ठीक है, तो 2 लीटर्स किसने कंज्यूम करा? विद्या ने कंज्यूम कर लिया 2 लीटर्स. तो 2 लीटर्स इज कंज्यूम बाय लीटर. दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ फर्स्ट वन. The second question was, what fraction of total quantity of water did Pratap drink? So there are two methods for solving this question. First of all, 5 में से 2 माइनस करेंगे, 3 लीटर सिंपली हो जाएगा. अगर ऐसे नहीं करना है तो ये देखिए 1 में से 2 by 5 अगर हम माइनस कर दे तो फ्रैक्शन कितना आया? वट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ टोटल पूछा है. तो 3 by 5 ऑफ 5 लीटर पिया होगा भाई. तो 3 by 5 ऑफ 5 liters is equals to 3 liters. So here we got the answer 3 liters. So 3 liters प्रताप ने ड्रिंक करा और 2 liters विद्या ने ड्रिंक करा. ठीक है, दिस वॉज द क्वेश्चन नंबर. यू कैन टेक फर्स्ट, यू कैन टेक स्क्रीनशॉट. हैव यू टेकन? ओके, so this was the question number 8 of this exercise, and this exercise completes. We will meet in the next lecture containing the exercise 2.3. So before going, please like the session, share it to maximum people, and please subscribe to our channel so that we can reach to the maximum people. Okay, we will meet in the next lecture with an exercise 2.3. Till then, bye bye guys.